Hey everyone. Uh, Hopefully this will be a quick video. Um, about last weekend, my family and I went to a couple antique stores, and this is what I got. It's a late '60s Toshiba Transistor radio with the leather case. Um, Paid a little bit more than I probably should have, but it at least works. Like, you can turn it on. I can get sound from it. Gotta be careful there. The problem with it is that the volume control is extremely dirty. So, got my electronics cleaner spray back there. We're gonna see if we can clean the volume control. Hopefully this will be a simple repair. So to start taking this apart, first remove the case. And I want to be careful with this because it's old. Don't want to bend it too hard, otherwise it could crack. It's actually a very heavy radio. Oops, and I turned it on. There we go. Now I looked up a little bit of information of this radio, and I think it was introduced in 1967 or 1968. I don't exactly remember because it was a couple days ago. At least, yeah. So, and there'd be a screw there, there, and I think under this knob. Yeah, under this knob. This is missing two screws. I didn't get the screws, unfortunately. But, yeah. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Now, after, dropping a screw, picking it up off the ground and all that, this should be able to come apart. I might as well just remove this knob for no stay off. Probably remove the batteries too while I'm at it. Doing this kind of scares me. Oh, yep, the back cover is about ready to come off. Oh, I know how it works. I forgot. There we go. There's one battery, two batteries. Yeah, this thing takes 3 C batteries, so I'm thinking it's kind of power hungry. There we go. And then it carefully lift it off. What am I I'm stuck on that. There we go. Be mindful of the antenna wire. It is a very thin wire and it can easily be torn. Right, here's our volume control. Turn the radio around and see if I can find the place to spray the control. One moment, please. So there's no real obvious way to get cleaner in there. I'm just going to hope for the best and spray the back of it. Hopefully it gets in there. And you want to work it back and forth. I'll put the knob on here to make it a little easier. We'll pop the batteries back in and see if that did anything. Hopefully my volume control choices aren't completely minimum or completely maximum.
What's holding you? Learning the language you've always wanted to know.
Too hard.
Takes too long.
Not with Babbel. Lessons take just 15 minutes a day.
15 minutes isn't long.
Nope. And they're fun. Real life. Having conversation. And Babbel's
There we go.
around real life.
Can adjust the volume now. That's good. Put it all back together. Now that we're all back together, I'm going to pull the antenna out. And I got to put the knob on. There's one. Here's 2.
Ahead of your symptoms. It's pretty.
There we go.
Executive Vice President. 7696. For QC
Try a
Kinetics
little
now
bit more of
open
an
in Harrisburg
antenna.
and Lancaster. 717-298-7696.
The 26th annual Simply the Best Gala is back with Harrisburg Magazine.
That's great.
Laptop, which I think.
You swelling.
Yeah. There we go.
That's why Cookie and her family make every day. 1-800.
I like these little simple repairs. Now I got a nice little transistor radio.
And they're fun. So you don't realize you're learning a language, but you...
I want to thank everybody for watching. I saw that my channel has recently hit 300 subscribers. I'm not sure if it went past that or not yet. I haven't looked. But yeah, I'm really glad people like watching these videos. Even if people just stopped watching them, I'd probably still make them just for the fun of it. Yeah. And thank you for watching, and certainly there's going to be more to come later.